Hi, my name is Ben Marrable and I'm a Splunk Security Consultant at Somerford Associates. Today we're going to talk about using Splunk Security Essentials and its content mapping features. Let's start from the home screen and navigate to Measure, document your deployed content and launch Manage Bookmarks. You'll be taken to the Manage Bookmarks page where if you've previously bookmarked content you will see that displayed below. Click on the Content Mapping button and look for enabled content. This will scan your current running searches for any content matches. Splunk Security Essentials will attempt to auto-match your running searches to the content listed in Security Essentials. Many of these will be suggestions, such as this AWS exfiltration via batch service, which we can see does not match very well. Hit Not a Detection if it's not a detection, or the Accept recommendation. I would recommend reviewing them all on first pass and either accepting the suggestion or clicking Not a Detection button to avoid them being added incorrectly. Once you've completed this process, you should have a better picture of all the content you have running. Refresh the page and you'll be able to see all the content listed below. Scroll down to get a line-by-line record of each use case, where you can track which stage that use case is in. If you expand one, such as activity from expired user identity, you can see high-level metadata around that particular use case and the mapping to the use case content as it's running inside your Splunk environment. At this point, it would be a good idea to take a backup of your running configurations, which you can achieve using the backup process by clicking on Backup and Restore in the top right corner, Backup Current Configurations. You can either leave the timestamp or add a custom name suitable for this time. Click on Backup Current Configurations. This process shouldn't take very long. Once it's complete, you can review that by again coming to Backup and Restore, Manage and Restore Backups. You can also export these results into XLS, CSV, doc, JSON or PDF. As well as content that exists within Splunk Security Essentials, you can also add custom content. Click on the Content, Custom Content dropdown. From here, click on the Add Custom Content button, where you'll be presented with the custom content wizard. Give that content a name, whether it's solved within Splunk or outside of Splunk, and you're putting it in here for reporting reasons, and fill through the whole form with all the relevant data to your content, and then click on Add. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to know more about Splunk for security, contact us at info@somerfordassociates.com.